Hey everybody, Chad here. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be cleaning up my shed. It's embarrassingly dirty right now. It has never really been fully cleaned and organized since we moved here 2 years ago. We kind of just threw stuff in. When I say we, I mean me. Just kind of threw stuff in, and that trend has continued. At points of time, it's almost been clean and organized, but for the most part, the answer is basically not really. I don't have a whole lot going on today. I mean, I do. I always have a lot going on, but I have a little enough amount of things going on today where I can try to tackle the vast majority of this on some of the YouTube channels that I watch when they clean stuff up. I think it's pretty cool. I like to watch it. So I figured, what the hey, maybe I'll film it. You might like it. If not, don't watch it. That's what we're going to be doing in this video, so stick around. So in this shed here, we have a whole bunch of junk. It's not junk, it's stuff that I need and stuff that I use, but it's stuff that hasn't been properly organized or put away. And, you know, I just get in the habit of throwing junk in, throwing stuff in here, and I really need to stop that because that's just not a good way to do things. The vast majority of the clutter is all of my bee stuff. And you can see, like, I started the process. I kind of organized a lot of the bee stuff. But, yeah, in fall, when I start to get burned out of summer, then it just becomes, when one thing is out of place, then it becomes really easy just to start throwing stuff in here. And unfortunately, it looks like the mice have moved in here, too, because there's lots of mouse rice in here. So I'm going to put this on time lapse, and hopefully here in an hour or two, this will be much better and not look like a hoarder's nest. So when I said an hour or two, that was a total that was a lie to myself, and that was a lie to you. So I apologize for that, and I apologize to myself for lying to myself. You know, always something came up, got pulled off yesterday, had to do another project, was busy with doing stuff this morning, filmed a bee video. That might be up before this one or after, but there'll be a video on our bees. But needless to say, I finally got the shed cleaned up. No longer does it look like a complete hoarder's nest. It now is, you know, organized, at least to my standards. So let's take a look. So this firmly falls into the good enough for who it's for category. Got some of the barbecue type of stuff over here, bee stuff over there on the shelves, yard stuff, seed starting stuff. This is my, if you've watched some of the other videos, this is my seed starting chamber of secrets. Not really, no secrets. And then, yeah, hung up stuff, got rid of a few shelves. I have a whole truckload of stuff that's going to the dump, and then another pile of pumpkin stuff that's going to go to the pumpkin shed. But all in all, pretty happy with how it turned out. We caught, I don't know, got a bunch of these glue traps. I had 4 mice on one glue trap. I had 3 mice on another one. Heck, I even got the 22 out, and I was shooting mice with my 22 in here. So all in all, I hauled out in a non-living capacity probably, what, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, probably close to a dozen mice that had made this their home. So no more. They are gone. Ixnay on the mice bay. Hopefully I haven't contracted the hantavirus. But, yeah, much better. Thanks for tuning in. This is a step in the direction that I said I wanted to go this year. Whatever I'm going to do, I want to do it better. I want everything to be clean, organized. Everything has a home, is what we've been saying in the new household as of late. So now everything has a home. Hopefully a lot of this bee equipment will get moved out and used in the bee area. Stay tuned for that bee video. Have a good one.